Welcome back to another crypto video. What is up, guys? It's jacobcrypobury. Thanks for jumping into another video. If you do like the content, smash the thumbs up and smack that subscribe button. So today we're looking at the wonderful Avalanche. And if you're new here as well, you know we do have a Discord channel as well, so hop into that. You can find it in the description below. So please join the community. And yeah, we're just going to look at Avalanche today. So Avalanche is the fastest smart contracts platform in the blockchain industry, measured by time to finality. So it's really super efficient, fast network, lightning transactions, and it's one of our infrastructure coins. So let's just scan for any kind of news. Is there anything we should kind of take notice of? Any breaking news? Not that I can see. Even though that's impressive. 1,200 validators on Avalanche now. That's always nice to see. Yeah, so I don't want to keep scrolling because the news is getting kind of old. Monthly active addresses, look at this. That's pretty crazy, isn't it? You can see November, December was a massive time for them. That's really cool to see. So yeah, let's hop into Avalanche. Rank 12 in the ecosystem, $84.36 with a market cap of 20.5 billion and a trading volume of 724 million over the last 24 hours. So let's have a little look, shall we? We're down 0.5% on 30 days, really nice to see. Down 24% on the 14 days, down 1.5% on the 7 days. Let's hop into those juicy charts. We've got a classic symmetrical triangle, really nice pattern to see here. But we should sort of zoom out first. I always like to zoom out. So we had a cup accumulation impulse over here. This was a great supply zone. Then we took that massive swing high. The breakout was here and it came all the way up to around $145. Actually, it was higher, I think, maybe about 150 in a rising wedge pattern. As you can see on the daily time frame, we kind of had that rising wedge, which we fall out of. We fell short. We created a bit of a double top. The loss of resistance was along $100. Sorry, a lot of support, shall I say, which I will mark in because it's still relevant. Lots of support there. And then we have this symmetrical triangle that we're now trading within along the 0.786 Fibonacci level. We are currently sitting at 44 on the relative strength index, which kind of implicates that we're not oversold just yet. And another thing to look at is that the volume is just slipping away, just slipping and sliding away. We're not really getting that pounce of volume, so that's one thing to also consider, that the bearish scenario, really, if we just measure this, we're going to come back down to probably support around $58. Should we fall out and lose support here? I don't think it's going to happen. I think it's very unlikely. I think we're more likely to break to the upside on this situation and take us back up to this resistance of $105. So if we hop into the little 4-hour chart, we can see exactly this typical symmetrical triangle: resistance, RR, support, SS, just like so, which makes us think, do we break up or down? There's two directions which we'll be heading most likely, but we're not really getting any volume for the time being. As stated before, we're not getting any volume, so we're more likely to fall down at this point if we get more capitulation and liquidation in the market. However, this isn't necessarily a bad thing, even if we did fall lower, because there's always a higher swing lower, swing high, swing low, which means we get another swing high. And let's check the Fibonacci extension. Right now, we've got a target of $192, which is pretty pragmatic, I would say, guys. So $190, just chuck it in there. That's our target, guys. Bullish target, $191, given that each time we do get these springs, this one was 165%. So why couldn't this one be also 135%? So that's how I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it kind of like these are kind of waves, like impulse, like that. That's how I see. Or we're gonna get, the other situation like that and maybe that followed by that. I still think we're going to get these huge highs. I don't believe the bull market is over, and I have $191 as a target of mine. So that's the long term. In the short term, $100 at resistance, break out symmetrical triangle, hop into the hour chart, and yeah, like I said, we've got that symmetrical triangle that we really must keep an eye on, because we're going to break out to the up or down side. Short term target's $101. Shorting down to $60 should we actually break down below, and of course the long-term bull target is that $200 mark, which I believe we will revisit again once we break the big resistances over at 144 plus and get this accumulation, this well-needed accumulation. So if you like the video, do subscribe, like, hit the thumbs up, and do all those YouTubey things. Thanks. Bye for now.